You've probably seen Trollface shorts too, but these days the dotted color background Trollface edits are really trending. Videos like these are also monetized, and many creators are earning in lakhs just by uploading such shorts. For example, this channel gained over 470,000 subscribers with only 33 videos, and another creator gained over 20,000 subscribers with just 27 videos. There are many such channels whose average views are in the millions. In today's video, I'll teach you how to make similar Trollface shorts. It's going to be fun, so watch the video till the end, and if you skip it, I'll chop you. Just kidding. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Music. First, open CapCut and add your clip in a new project. In the size option, select 1:1, or you can choose 9:16 if you want. Now set your clip volume to 0, and add a good background music from the audio section. Then, cut your clip to sync with the music or slightly increase the speed. Now, where you want to add the edit, freeze the frame and add a beat there in the music. Click on the frozen clip, make it full screen, and take a screenshot. Next, go to PicsArt Pro. You'll find it on my Telegram or WhatsApp channel. If you don't have Telegram, join the WhatsApp channel. All the material used for Trollface editing is available there. Click plus in PicsArt and choose Remove Background to remove the background from your screenshot image. Save the result. Then go back and use the AI Enhancer option to enhance the image, set intensity to 100, and save it. Now come back to CapCut, replace the frozen clip with the PNG you just created. Bring this PNG into overlay, and add a red dot background image to the main clip. This will also be available on Telegram/WhatsApp. Click on Overlay, add a green screen clip, and use Chroma key to remove the green background. Now go to Layers and place it behind the main subject. Don't forget to set its volume to 0. Now add a text emoji, like the one I'm using here. Go to its layer and also place it behind the character. Now add one keyframe at the start and one just before the end. Go to the first keyframe and move the emoji down, then go to the second keyframe and move it up. Let this animation scroll till the end of the clip. Next, click on Overlay, add this sticker, go to Mask, select Rectangle Shape, and create a rectangle mask around the sticker. Adjust it properly on top. Now go to Overlay again, add another green screen, keep volume at 0, and remove background using Chroma key again. Crop and position this side sticker neatly on the cooked sticker. Now at the start of the video, add a good text title, like I'm doing here. Choose a nice font, go to Effects, and add a cool text effect. Now go to Animation, select Fade in for half a second, and Fade out for half a second too. Add another text with an emoji, and again use Fade in and Fade out animations. Add a keyframe at the start and end, move it in from here and out from there. Your edit is now 80% complete. Export it in high quality music. Now open a new project, select the exported video, and split it where the beat edit is. Go to Effects, add a shake effect, and set keyframes at the start and end. Set speed and intensity at the start, and bring them to 0 at the end. Select the clip, go to Animation Out, and choose the smoke animation, set to slightly less than 1 second. Now in the middle of the video, add your channel name as text, select a nice font, then go to Text Animation, choose 40 text as in animation, and for out, select a good one. I'm using the glitch effect here. Now for quality enhancement, go to Adjust, and do the following. Brightness, +5. Contrast, +5. Saturation, plus 15. Sharpen, plus 45. Clarity, plus 60. Highlights, plus 5. Shadows, minus 5. Vignette, 20 to 25. Then go to Filter, select 4K filter, and set it to 50. Apply both the adjustment and filter settings to the entire video. Finally, select the split clip, and increase its vignette even more. I'm setting it to 30. And that's it, our professional edit is ready. Music. If the video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you haven't even hit 100 subscribers yet, check out this other video too. Thanks for watching.